doing here? And why are you so sad?
Oh, I just bought these shoes, but they turned to be too tight and rubbed my feet sore.
Well, you could get a bigger size. You're not Cinderella, you know.
I took the last size available.
Well, then, just return them.
Oh, but they're so pretty. Why does this always happen? Pretty shoes are impossible to wear and comfortable ones are often ugly.
Here, wear these and don't be upset.
Actually, this could be interesting.
Hi, guys. Did you get what Susie's up to?
Don't worry, I'll explain myself. Hi, everyone. Today we're going to customize these nice pair of Crocs.
But Sue, aren't those jibbitz already made for personalizing Crocs?
Yep, but as true crafters, we can't get off that easy, huh?
Acetone? Wait, are you saying that?
We are going to change these shoes drastically, and I'm gonna need your help.
Well, you can count on me, Susie.
We need to wipe them properly with acetone to degrease the surface we will be working on.
You made a rhyme, Sue!
Oh, let's not forget about the heel part. And the last preparation step is sanding. Do it thoroughly, guys.
Don't try too hard, though, or there'll be nothing left.
Why, thank you, smarty pants. Let's see what we have in our items for the decor stash. Sorry, not this time. Huh? What's this doing here?
Ha, oopsie, my bad.
Let's try one more time. Whoosh! Now that's better.
Shiver me chatters, it's so sparkly!
Well, I have been keeping it for a special craft, you know. So let's get to it. Guys, remember that you don't have to decorate your Crocs exactly as we do. Just remember to be careful with sharp objects.
By the way, we like upgrading shoes and sneakers. There's a bunch of cool videos about that on our channel.
But this is our very first experience with the foam clogs.
Wait, what? I never thought of them that way.
Look closer. Doesn't it resemble a famous Dutch wooden shoe?
You're right. I gotta do some research about that.
Didn't you promise me to work on the second shoe? I guess I'm gonna have to finish this craft by myself. Oh guys, you're back! Check out how sparkly both of our Crocs are.
Thanks for the help, Susie. I got distracted for a second.
Mr. Researcher. I see you found something pretty for our craft.
Actually...
Wow, you did a great job! Let me just make it more comfortable for us to work with the half beads.
Holy cannoli! This is like sparkling heaven! I can't take my eyes off of it. Oh, Susie, you organized them so well. I can't wait to see how our Crocs will turn out.
Well, you'd better master patience, my friend. Because from now on, basically all that we're gonna do is glue the beads on the Croc. So, Sammy, what can you tell us based on your research?
As you rightly pointed out, the shape of Crocs much resembles that of the Dutch klompen, or as they call them in France, sabot. While in Netherlands they've been making their wooden clocks for about 800 years, history knows references to high, thick-soled wooden footwear dated back to ancient Greek theaters.
Wow, you did a thorough research. But I wasn't wasting my time either.
Shiver me chatter, Susie, this looks marvelous! Can I try?
Sure thing.
Oh.
Guys, while Sam is busy, take a second to give a thumbs up to this video.
What can I say, Susie? The right Croc already looks like it deserves to be worn by a queen.
Or by a princess. Check out this tiny Jasmine.
Now that's what I call personalization.
I also love doing He Loves Me Not on a daisy.
Well, I can't tell exactly who loves whom and who doesn't. But I would totally love to see how our Crocs will turn out.
Good call, Sammy. Let's keep going.
Holy cannoli, that Croc already looks like Jasmine's palace!
You're right, Sammy. Let's just add one more pearl to it.
I wonder if Cinderella would wear Crocs while working in the garden. By the way, do you have a Cinderella jibbitz?
No, I couldn't find it in the store. But don't worry, the color of the Crocs is kind of a tribute to a story already. And we're done with our right shoe. Oh, I love how it turned out.
Agreed! It's awesome, but the left one can no longer wait for its turn. Guys, don't go anywhere and you'll be amazed.
Oh, there are not so many heart-shaped beads left. I guess you won't look exactly like your twin brother then.
Make it different, not a big deal.
And what are you studying again?
Did you know that initially Crocs were meant to be boating shoes?
I can hardly imagine a dreadful pirate wearing these.
Crocs were first presented in 2001 at a boat show in Florida, and the first 200 pairs were sold right away. They must have done a great job presenting Crocs to the public, and what a profit they must have gained.
Sammy, this is all very interesting, but aren't you going to help me at all?
Just when my interest in business started to glow. Move!
Guys, give us a lot of thumbs up so that Sammy stops being so grumpy.
You can look, but don't scold me if you won't like it.
Whoa, Sammy, this is great actually. And I love the new colors that you've chosen.
What can be better than a flower, right?
Only maybe a heart? There we go. Great. Let's see what else do we have. Hop? Wow, it's a little Ariel.
Well, now I really can decide which Croc I like more.
It's a bit too early to judge because we still have space to be covered in rhinestones.
Guys, know that even if you're going to use already sticky half-eats, you still better add some super glue to them just in case.
Here we go. Great. Phew, I can hardly feel my wrist. All right, guys. Even though this craft is quite time-consuming, trust me, it's worth it.
Are you saying that we're already done, Susie? So we won't be customizing our Crocs anymore?
Oh, so now you want to keep working, huh, Sammy?
I just like this customization so much!
Well, for now we're done. Our old Crocs really look like the new ones. And you know what I like most? They're different from one another, but at that, they're match. And the best part is that you can still continue your personalization by changing these cute little jibbitz depending on your mood.
Well, I'm in the cute pink mood right now.
Well, Sammy, nobody would have doubted that. There you go. Oh, a tough one.
This one doesn't fit the Disney princess theme.
Do you have something else in mind?
You bet! Beware and behold! How about a piece of my love?
Why, you're so generous, Sammy. And I've got this little cute Mickey-shaped purple girl. Let's see. Perfect matching color. So the left shoe looks great. What can we do about the right one?
Well, I guess I have a couple of thoughts. Let me just check out my secret stash. No. Oh, there you go. Nothing can be better than classic, huh?
You're right, Sammy. I like it. Now let's add these to make our Crocs look alike. I really love this funny guy. Here we go. Great. I think you guys already get that you're free to decorate your Crocs any way you want.
Oh, Susie, we did such a great job. Let me look closer. Oh, holy cannoli, they're so sparkly and stylish. Well, guys, how about checking them out one more time in all their glory?
You don't say. They can probably see me from the outer space.
It's amazing how something that comfortable can become very beautiful!
Guys, thanks for being with us today. Give a thumbs up to this video if you liked our new Crocs. Bye!